You guys, this is awesome. It's March 25th today. We have a ton going on in the shop. I got some huge parts here on the Bridgeport. We're gonna have the kit and mirror running later this afternoon. But today's a big day for a different reason, because we bought a brand new machine. In the middle of all the Corona mayhem that's going around, in the middle of the markets doing like whatever, we're confident in manufacturing. We're continuing with our plan. This is our new space. New machine's gonna go right here. We bought a brand new DNM 5700. Mark's looking at me. Anyways, comes in today. I'm gonna set up a time lapse so you guys can watch it. Okay guys, it's in here, it's on the floor. Look at it, it's huge. We're gonna do tons of work with this. Check this out. We got a rotary axis. This is gonna be crazy. I don't know what we're gonna do with it yet, but we're gonna do something, put us to work. There's also like a nearly 4-inch through bore on it, which is pretty cool. I've never seen that before. Look at how beefy these ball screws are and these bearing packs. The linear ways are massive. They're roller linear ways, not ball. That's good. Look at this. It's huge. Jeez. Yeah, this machine I think weighs like 14,000 something pounds. Fanic controller. Super excited to learn this. Tons of technology on there. We do have the probes coming. They're going to show up via UPS, so still waiting on those, but I'll take you on a walk around. We do have to get power and air to it still, but hopefully by the end of next week we'll be cutting chips, learning everything we need to learn to get some work done. It's going to be awesome.